Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you today with the part number 2 of the building of the chicken run. Last time we left off after we cut everything, drilled the holes and put the screws into it, and today we're going to pick up when it got a little too dark. I had to finish putting it together just to get the form in the winter garden. So today we're looking at how I took the pieces and I made it into the rough shape it's going to be. The chicken wire will come next, but I'm just trying to knock them out shorter, more compact little snippets of this as we go forward. So sit back, enjoy the little bit of music today and the assembling of the chicken run.
One, two.
Everything got a little dark and a little too late. I had to hurry up and make some cuts before it got too dark or too late to bother the neighbors. Now I'm pushed back to the winter garden that's still kind of being renovated halfway, almost done there. And as you can see, the things I made earlier, the sides, they're all connected now with a little hook and eye. And now I'm forming the top, and then I'll put the chicken wire all over it. But to make it safe from avian fluid also needs a roof. So I'm going to do everything in chicken wire, but the bottom, all of these parts are able to be taken down, and then you have the individuals so that I could theoretically put them together a little differently if I would like, or play with the shape, however. Yeah, so now I just need to make the top, and then I think I'm going to actually call it quits for the day because I'm going to need to paint these. I might paint, or not paint them, but seal them. Otherwise it's just going to rot away immediately. The other side is that it's not for all the time. It's just giving them this chance because we knew bird flu would come at some point because it's come in the past, but we didn't have chickens then. Now we'll have this ready, and then even if we want to have some new chickens and need to quarantine them or get them used to each other, we have somewhere where we can put them outside. I'm happy with the progress so far, so I'm gonna shut up, put some music back on, or a podcast, the Jim Jeffries. I don't know about that podcast. And then finish the rest of this. So let's do it. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Have a drone in the mind. Cheers, and have a good night.
Of course, I'll see you in the morning. I mean, I gotta finish this and all, so.
Thanks for making it to the end once again. I always appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again next time.